So this is another type of mean median problem. And in this one, Autumn is competing in a track event. And she has a bunch of times which were given, ranging from 320 seconds at the low end to 320, there's bigger numbers in here. A bunch of times. Okay, she has 5 different times. 320, 336, 334, 321, 324. And we're asked, what does she have to get in her 6th race to maintain her exact average? So in other words, whatever her average is in those first 5 races, she doesn't want it to change. She wants to at least maintain that average. So in order to figure out what time she needs in her 6th race to maintain her average, we have to know what that average is in the first place. So this gets back to how you calculate the average or the mean of a set of data. What you do is you add up all the terms. So 320 plus 336 plus 334 plus 321 plus 324. These are her 5 times. And because there's 5 times, we divide it by 5 to get her number. Okay, so let me just punch that into the calculator here. 320, 336, 334, 321, 324. I divide the result by 5, and I get 327 average or mean. Okay, so in other words, her 6th race, if it's not going to change the average, it has to be the average. So that's going to be your answer right there. Okay, and sometimes they'll ask you a different variety of this question, which is, what would she need to get in her 6th race to lower her average by a certain amount of time, or some variety like that. Those are more complicated. In this one, remember what they're asking. It's always quickest if you know exactly what they want. They want you to maintain the average, which means they're asking for the average.